Hi, math learners. I've got the infamous Raha with me today, and she's going to show us how to do 6 plus 5. Now, Raha really likes her fingers, but she's not using her fingers anymore, right?
Yeah.
So she's going to show us how to solve this without using her fingers. So Raha, let's first make sure that we have this down here. So how many is here?
6.
Okay, so 5, right? And then add one more and 6. And how many are here?
5.
5. And okay, so what do you want to do to solve this problem?
So I'm gonna split the 5
Okay.
into 4
4
and
1.
1.
And you know what? That's a really smart idea because 6 plus 4 gives you 10.
10,
And
yeah.
you know that, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. So I'm going to just move this over and then look. It's like there's like an invisible line here. There's the 4 and there's the 6. So let's actually add 6 plus 4. So what's 6 plus 4 again?
6 plus 4 is 10.
It's 10. And look, you can see it right here, right? So 6 plus 4 is 10. And then?
I add 1 more, makes 11.
Perfect. So 6 plus 5?
Equals 11.
You are amazing, Raha. Give me a high five.
Hey everyone, I got my friend Nikki here who's going to talk to us about a fantastic idea for solving 6 plus 5. So Nikki, let's just take a look at these numbers. So we're going to make 6
Okay.
first. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got, what's that?
5.
5.
And then we got 1.
So that makes
6.
6. And then
We have 5.
we'll bring out another 5.
And then there's 5.
So what should we do?
I split the 5.
Oh, you split, what number was that?
That was 6.
And so you split it into what?
Into 5.
5 and?
1.
Okay. And then what?
And then I took away the 1.
5 and 1. And you took away the 1, and then what?
And then I added a 5, which makes 10.
Whoa. That's a really great idea. So let's just, you made 10, and then what?
And then I added 1 more, which makes 11.
Ah, so what's 6 plus 5?
Equals 11.
What a great idea. Thanks, Nikki.
You're welcome.